the top 3 ways in which to assess competency in training within your food business. I often get asked as an auditor, what's the best way to assess training competency? I'm going to go through 3 of the most common methods. Our first method is the written exam. So after your food handlers have viewed particular material, or you've given a presentation, that you ask them to undertake a written exam. Now this examination is there to test their knowledge and what they have understood during the presentation. Our next method is show and tell. This is where you get the actual participant to go through with you from what they have learnt and to physically show you how to do something, or to give you the information, so verbally tell you, as opposed to a written exam. So this fares well if you may have some literacy issues within your food production staff, where you can ask them, okay, can you please show me how you sort out, or how do you weigh off the product, how do you test the metal detector? Get them to tell you, get them to show you. Our third way to assess training competency is by observation. Now these observations can be undertaken as part of your weekly or monthly good manufacturing practices audits. If you're the QA manager or the internal auditor, you can include this area to observe whether people are complying with the learned material. So these things could be around how people are washing their hands, or are they washing their hands, are they restraining their hair, their general appearance, how they're actually going through and handling the product, if that's what you've done your training within. The main thing with any type of assessment around competency is to make sure that you very clearly set the objectives within your training material on what determines if they're competent or not. If you don't have this actually clearly stated, it's going to be very hard for you to assess whether somebody's competent.